Welcome to Little Joy Kids Rhyme.
Yay! It's farm time! Look at the shadows, listen to the sounds, and shout out the name of the animal. Are you ready? Moo Moo. Who could that be? This animal gives us milk. Yes, it's a cow, Mootastic. This one loves to gallop fast. Nay, nay, who's that strong animal? You got it, it's a horse, amazing. Meow meow, who likes to chase mice. This furry friend loves to nap in the sun. Correct, it's a cat, perfect answer. Woof woof, this is the farmer's best friend. Who guards the farm and wags its tail? Yes, it's a dog, possum guess. Cluck, cluck, she lays yummy eggs. Who's busy scratching the ground? Yes, it's a hen, clucktastic. Ba ba, listen closely, this fluffy animal gives us warm wool. That's right, it's a sheep, brilliant. This one loves to climb and jump. It makes a funny mama sound. Correct, it's a goat, marvelous job. Oink, oink, who loves the muddy puddle? This animal has a curly tail. That's right, it's a pig, winks some work. Quack quack, who loves swimming in the pond? This animal has webbed feet. Correct, it's a duck, quacktastic job. Cock-a-doodle-doo, who wakes up the farm? This animal has a bright red comb. Yes, it's a rooster, rise and shine. Fantastic work! The animals are so happy you guessed them all. Until next time, keep smiling and keep guessing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.